What's up, everybody? Today we're working on the Max EFI 500 system for the small block Chevy. I got a recall the other day from Summit saying that there's a issue with the fuel rail and injectors, all that kind of stuff. So they sent me a package with all the replacement parts to switch it out, fix it, and so that's what we're going to be doing today. I ain't got no clue how long this is going to take. So let's first open the box and see what parts we're replacing. Ooh, instructions. Gasket. Brand new fuel rails. So, alright, that ain't no issue. And then we got grease, O-rings. Cool. Alright, let's replace these things. Heck yeah. I don't have to use my own stuff. So step one, tools you need. Alright, step one, loosen the banjo fittings. How do we go from step one to step two? Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, remove all this. Because this is the fuel rail that goes in between fuel in and then fuel going to both rails. And then get these off the other side. The end caps. And that's what I like about this is you can run the fuel in either side depending on how it comes up through the car. Alright, get these old fuel rails off. And Summit wants me to destroy these. So basically when I'm done, I cut them in half, send them a picture saying I destroyed them. They send me $100. I can live with $100 because I need a distributor for the motor, and that $100 will go good towards the distributor. Alright, the gentle constant pulling pressure remove the fuel rail, gently wiggling. There's the fuel injectors. God, they look so tiny. Alright. Alright, let's pull these injectors out. Hopefully. Alright. them things are in there. Alright, old fuel rail. Alright, there we go, another old rail. Now it says remove the O-rings, because we've got new O-rings right here for the injectors. Keep all the bad stuff in a pile. Alright, let's put the new O-rings on. Alright. Alright, gotta grease them up. Apply a small amount, because I guess you just need enough to get it lubed up to go in. Nothing major. Alright. One thing is I did not know, I don't know if they can zoom in and get that clear, but these injectors are FI Tech. Well, might need to get a couple just in case, extras. Okay, so it says here, now you're ready for the injectors. Your fuel rails are identified with an asterisk on the one end. I don't know what the hell the asterisk means. Oh, okay, so this is saying these are the new ones. The new ones have the asterisk on it. Wow, loud truck. So the new ones have an asterisk on the end, the old ones don't. Alright, injectors in the new rail. Now it's time to thing on the other side. Too much grease on my fingers. Do not over tighten. I guess I'll replace the O-rings on these two. Alright, of course we're supposed to use a certain O-ring. Don't know which ones. Alright, looking thick ones. The thick ones probably go into the fuel rail. Yeah, so you got thick O-rings and thin O-rings. The thick O-rings go on the fuel rail, and the thin ones go on all the other stuff. So I put a thin one and a thin one.
What you doing?
Jesus Christ. Okay, now that I'm back from being interrupted, let's tighten these, make sure it's snug. Alright. Then we have new fuel rail bolts. Take out the old shit. Wow, there's a big difference. Old and new. Small and then big. And then put these in. Snug them down. Wow, new ones are different size. New ones are 3/4. And there it is, put back together. Alright, there you go, Summit. Totally destroyed. I don't think I can use them. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. Hope this helps out anybody who's going to rebuild this system when they get it. Until next video.